Every season I'm ballin'. Brody walk down like he Kimbo. He hopping out the little shots out the window. I'm from the two drippin' saw like Lorenzo. Little nigga Glock when he make him look tenfold. We posted up on the back strip, flipping that work. You do semis and front flip. We put your bro on the run list. Soon as that work coming in the touchdown, I'ma punt it. It's gone.
Hey, what is up, everyone? Back at you with another video. Today, I got something special for you. You guys ready? Cause I'm ready. Here we go. Oh. What is this? Seeing double right now? Nah, it's like, I'm just kidding. This is my C100 packaged up because I just came home from Miami. But I came home to this new team. Ooh. Alright, we're about to get this thing unpackaged, get everything going, and you guys will see. Alright, let's get this thing open. Alright. Looks like we got some goodies. Collective hoodie. Looks like another sort of hoodie of some type. Got some gloves. Another pair of gloves. Got a crew neck. Another hoodie. Another hoodie. Another hoodie. And then another sweatshirt.
Let's go.
They made this one. They made this one.
They made this one. They made this one. Ooh, here we have it. C100 Pro comes with wrong side. Focus, focus, Focus. One-way Corey pedals. You know, oh my guy. Little Harry. Comes with his seat too. You can see the reflective stickers. It says keep it 100 on the bottom. Comes with aftermarket upgraded forks with fixed slick tires. Comes left-hand brake, left-hand rear brake, as you can see. We'll flip that later. Ooh, this bike looks fire, I'm not even gonna lie. Let me take these off. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know what kind of content you guys want to see in the future. You know, C100 content, C2 content, all that. But thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to copy your merch. One My Stefan Inc. You know, on Instagram. Or you can go to www.onewaysteffen.com. Get your hoodies today. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later. Alright, before this video ends, just letting you guys know, if you purchase one of these hoodies or the gray ones on www.onewaysteffen.com, you're entered in the chance to win a C2, which is one of the bikes that I ride. So just letting you guys know, if you buy this hoodie or the gray one, you get automatically entered in the chance to win. And we're going to be customizing that bike to look like mine. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.